Hey Pixel Pirates! Today, we're diving into the world of copyright-free music for YouTube videos and other content. By the end of this video, you'll know 1. Why background music is crucial for your content. 2. 3 fantastic platforms for finding royalty-free music. 3. How to use these platforms effectively and follow attribution rules. So, let's set sail and explore the power of legal music for content creators. Part 1. Why music matters in video editing. Picture this, you're watching Spielberg's Jaws. The vast ocean stretches before you. Cuts to a lone swimmer in the water. But the sound is off. Now, without John Williams' iconic score, the suspense, well, it's just gone. Just as Spielberg used that iconic Jaws musical score to build such suspense and tension, you too can use free music for video editing to enhance your YouTube videos. Imagine a travel vlog without upbeat background music, or a tutorial video without a gentle, encouraging melody. Music is a powerful tool for content creators because it creates emotion, helping viewers connect with your message, sets the pace and energy of your video, reinforces your visual message, maintains viewer interest, creates the right mood, be it tension, excitement, or calm. But here's the catch, we can't just use any music we want. Using copyrighted music without permission can lead to legal troubles or even channel terminations. That's where copyright-free audio libraries come to the rescue. Now, let's explore 3 incredible platforms for finding amazing, free music for your next masterpiece. Part 2. Copyright-free music platforms. Before we dive in, let's emphasize a crucial point. Always review the rules for attribution and usage for each platform. These rules can change, and it's essential to stay compliant to avoid any issues with your content. Understanding music licensing for creators is key to using copyright-safe music for videos. 1. YouTube Audio Library. Hidden right under your nose, the YouTube Audio Library is a treasure trove of high-quality tracks across various genres. To access this copyright-free sounds library, after logging into your YouTube channel, go to YouTube Studio. Click on Audio Library in the left sidebar. Start exploring. You can search by track title, genre, mood, duration, and attribution requirements. For example, if you're making an upbeat vlog, try searching for Happy in the mood category with a medium duration. Pro tip, use the star feature to save tracks for later use. It's perfect for creating a go-to playlist for your channel's signature style. Always double-check the YouTube music policy for each track you use. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, bash the subscribe, and join the growing crew of Pixel Pirates. The support from you and my subscribers means the world to me. 2. Bensound.com. Bensound offers a user-friendly interface with a wide range of genres. Here's how to use this free music for commercial use effectively. Toggle the Free Music Only button. Use the genre, mood, theme, and instrument filters. Adjust the energy level and duration to fine-tune your search. For instance, if you're creating a tech review video, try searching for electronic music with medium energy and a duration of 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, attribution is required for free tracks. It's a small price to pay for great music, so always credit the artists in your video description. Bensound has an excellent help section that answers questions about attribution and usage. If you're ever unsure about how to use a track properly, check out their FAQ or help pages. They even provide guidance if you encounter a copyright claim on YouTube, which can be incredibly helpful for content creators. 3. Mubert AI generated music for content. Mubert takes a unique approach by offering AI-generated music. To make the most of this innovative platform, explore pre-generated tracks in various moods and genres. Use the Generate Track feature for custom music. Experiment with image-to-music generation for a truly unique sound. For example, if you're making a cyberpunk-themed video, you could generate a track using prompts like futuristic, electronic, and intense. The ability to set exact durations makes Mubert particularly useful for creators who need precisely timed background music. The importance of following attribution rules. For all these no copyright music sources, it's crucial to follow their specific attribution and usage rules. Here's why. 1. Legal protection. Proper attribution keeps you on the right side of copyright law. 2. Respect for artists. Giving credit supports the creators who make their work available for free. 3. Building trust. Your audience will appreciate your transparency and professionalism. 4. Avoiding strikes. Correct attribution helps prevent copyright strikes on platforms like YouTube. Remember, rules can change. Make it a habit to review the usage terms each time you download a track, even if you've used the platform before. Part 3. Choosing the right music. Selecting the perfect track can elevate your content. Here are 2 quick tips for using background music for vlogs and other content. Match the music's energy to your content. Fast-paced music works well for action scenes or upbeat vlogs, while slower tempos suit reflective or educational content. Consider your audience. If you're targeting a younger demographic, contemporary genres might work better, while a broader audience might appreciate more classic or neutral sounds. In conclusion, we voyaged through the importance of music in content creation and explored 3 fantastic platforms for finding copyright-free tracks. Now it's your turn to experiment with free music for YouTube videos. I'd love to hear about your experiences. What's your go-to source for royalty-free background music? Have you noticed a difference in viewer engagement when you use the right music? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful in navigating the world of legal music for content creators, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the crew of Pixel Pirates. Your support truly is the wind in the sails. Until next time, may your content be epic and your music be free. Take care out there and thanks for watching.